Alright, if you ever wondered what not to do at a weigh station, this footage is about to answer that question. Watch this white Freightliner Cascadia hauling a hazardous materials tanker as it approaches the weigh station where everything looks completely normal, right up until the driver realizes he's about to miss the entrance. Now, at this point, there are really only two safe options. Keep driving and catch the next exit and safely turn around, or continue until you can safely reroute. Instead, this driver chose option number 3 because apparently there's one. The one that definitely isn't in the CDL manual. He slams on the brakes in a live lane of traffic, brings the entire combination vehicle to a stop, and then starts backing up with a hazardous material tanker while traffic is still approaching behind. You can actually see other motorists scrambling to react, taking evasive action just to avoid becoming part of the incident. This is exactly why professional drivers are taught that missing an exit is almost always the safer choice. A missed weigh station can usually be addressed. A rear-end collision involving a hazmat tanker, not so much. According to reports, the driver is ultimately cited for reckless driving, and after watching the footage, it's not really difficult to understand why. The ironic part is, it looks like he was really determined not to miss that DOT inspection. Mission accomplished. Except instead of earning a clean inspection sticker, he failed the driver's portion of the inspection even before it began. Sometimes the most professional decision a driver can make is admitting, I messed up, and safely taking the next exit. Pride is a lot cheaper than a crash and a whole lot cheaper than reckless driving. Safety first on highways and byways, and don't be a dumbass going down the highway.